Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to be changing the engine temperature sensor. These can fail, but where is it? So I'll show you where it is and I'll show you how to change it. You can get all sorts of problems with these, like engine not running properly, so obviously it's not reading the temperature, cold start issues, any sort of start issues because the car doesn't know what the correct temperature is, so it doesn't know what fuel and air mixture to do, and all sorts of things like that. And obviously you can get an error code for it as well. So I'm going to show you where it is and we're going to change it today. So let's crack on with the video. So first things first, where is the engine temperature sensor? And it is under here. I have a Phoebe Bilstein one, green one. That is all it is. Not really much to it, just a sensor and a new clip and an O-ring. So first of all, let's get this cover off. So it is, let me get some light on the subject. It is there. That's where it is. So it's not too bad of a job to do. Well, I don't know how well it's going to come out, but I'm going to try and film it. So just use like a flathead screwdriver just to help you prise that plastic clip off. You can see it in this picture here. And once that plastic clip is off, you can then start trying to remove the sensor. It should come up pretty easy, but sometimes they can get stuck, so just give it a little wiggle and it will pop out. Remember to move the old O-ring. I'm just giving it a quick wipe just to make sure the new sensor seats properly. And here is the sensor here. And just unclip the plug. So that's the old one, that's the new one. So let's put the seal on, put that on, get that plugged in, done. Now with the new seal on, we're ready to put it back into the car. So literally just push it into the hole, make sure it's in well. I plugged it on then. You can plug it on once you've done the plastic clip, but it doesn't really matter what way you do that. So once I plugged mine on, I then fitted that clip, just literally pushed it through the little grooves on the side and you can hear it click. And that's all there is to it. So let's start it up and hopefully we've got no leaks from that area. Right, so that's a great success. That's another thing to do. So now put the engine cover on and job done. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.